The Citroën Ami has become a popular choice for custom liveries, and it's no surprise that it has inspired yet another limited production special. This time, however, the creation comes not from Citroën, but from Italian designer Massimo Biancone, who has transformed the fully electric heavy quadricycle into a modern tribute to the iconic 2CV Charleston. Originally introduced in 1948, the Citroën 2CV gained fame with its Charleston trim featuring an Art Deco livery, which debuted in 1980 and remained in production until 1990. Biancone's Ami Charleston by Biancone pays homage to this classic with its striking rouge delage/noir two-tone paint finish, devoid of Citroën badges, and complemented by a body-colored grille, black wheel caps, and a canvas roof reminiscent of the Fiat Topolino. Inside the cabin, nostalgic details abound, accompanied by upgraded materials and enhanced standard features. The standout feature is the single-spoke steering wheel, a direct nod to the classic 2CV. Other vintage-inspired touches include the umbrella pocket behind the driver's seat and leather upholstery adorned with a houndstooth pattern. In terms of equipment, the Ami Charleston offers more comfort and convenience compared to the standard Ami. Features include improved seating, a Bluetooth audio system, rubber mats, and a central rearview mirror, addressing some of the Spartan aspects of the original Ami. However, air conditioning remains absent, leaving occupants to rely on tinted windows and the canvas roof for ventilation. Mechanically, the Charleston retains the stock 8-horsepower electric motor and 5.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack, providing a range of 43 miles between charges. Biancone plans to produce a limited run of 150 units of this retro-themed special edition, with 32 pre-orders already secured and 4 units currently in production. While pricing details for the Ami Charleston by Biancone have not been disclosed, it's expected to command a higher price tag than the standard heavy quadricycle, reflecting its bespoke design and enhanced features. Massimo Biancone joins the ranks of independent designers who have customized the Citroën Ami, following in the footsteps of Massimo Alba and Rossana Orlandi.